Keeping healthcare facilities performing efficiently and safely are among the topics of primary concern around the world, with specific interest in protecting staff and visitors from the ongoing threats of virus transmission and other infections. There are many technologies that are available to help healthcare facilities in this regard. And here to talk with us today from ABB Australia is Paul Burrows, HVAC Segment Manager for Drives at ABB. Welcome, Paul.
Thank you, Sandra. It's always a pleasure to speak with you.
What trends do you observe in the HVAC segment generally and for healthcare in particular, and how can ABB provide support?
There's always been development in the technology that we use in HVAC. There have been significant changes in automation systems, with integration and data sharing opening up new opportunities with analytics. Ongoing changes in restrictions of emissions and the impact on refrigerants over the decades has seen development and adoption of different compressor technologies. Even air handling units, which previously used centrifugal fans, now increasingly have plug fans installed. HVAC designers, too, have included several innovative solutions, from chilled beams, swirl diffusers, mixed-mode ventilation. The list goes on. In healthcare, though, everything is becoming more intelligent. The future will see more predictive systems in place, which feeds into key themes of reliability and efficiency prioritized in the sector. When hospital engineers have systems that can detect wear and predict failure ahead of time, then they can optimize maintenance spend, avoid costly breakdowns, and retain peak performance for all services. To support these demands, ABB is changing too, with more digitalization being added to our portfolio. Condition monitoring systems are fairly common in industry and manufacturing sites, but are starting to enter into high-end commercial buildings. Healthcare facilities are somewhere in the middle of this spectrum and are adopting some condition monitoring systems now. ABB are providing support with a range of advanced products. There is a range of metering and measurement tools with intelligent sensors and breakers in the electrical networks. In the mechanical plant space, we also offer ABB Ability condition monitoring for drives, motors, pumps, and other plant. Collectively, we call this the ABB Ability Digital Powertrain. This suite of tools combines connectivity and data analytics to make customer operations efficient, predictable, and safe. ABB also have developed a range of digital remote support capabilities to further enhance service offerings. ABB's remote visual guidance is an augmented reality technology which allows remote support to see exactly what the customer is viewing through their mobile or tablet. To enhance this further, ABB Ability Mobile Connect for Drives is an online platform that allows real-time expert support to troubleshoot drives. Chats, sharing images and backups, viewing parameters online are all possible, making the technical support process quick and efficient.
What are the requirements and needs of healthcare customers? What do they value? And what's the decision factor in the choice of supplier?
There's a range of needs in the healthcare space. First and foremost, the facilities must perform reliably and consistently. If plant is not working, then potentially critical facilities like operating theatres and isolation rooms cannot be used. Keeping these up and running is paramount. The next key category I would say is efficiency. Many facilities' budgets are very tight, and being able to do more with less is highly desirable. ABB's range of IE5 SynRM motors, matched with ABB's ACH 580 dedicated HVAC drives, deliver ultra-premium energy efficiency. This combination achieves the highest efficiency class available. Not only does it perform much more efficiently than a standard IE2 or IE3 induction motor, but it also runs cooler, which extends the motor life, further reducing the total cost of ownership. When it comes to what healthcare customers look for in suppliers, quality, service, and support are critical. ABB has been providing the highest quality products to industry for over 130 years, and has a support structure second to none. Personally, I'm very proud to be part of the Australian team. We have really talented people throughout our organisation, both customer-facing and supporting behind the scenes. That support structure extends to ABB partners in each state and territory, and my colleagues around the globe. I frequently have conversations with ABB in Asia, Europe, and the US. That accessibility is not common in our industry and is really valuable. It sets ABB apart.
So, what type of HVAC projects do you typically get involved in with the healthcare sector?
Most of the hospital projects that we're involved in have been new infrastructure or major additions to existing facilities. ABB and our dedicated partner networks have supported many hospitals and other healthcare facilities around the country with a wide variety of ABB products. In HVAC, of course, one of the most common offers from ABB is variable frequency drives. Healthcare facilities can include very complex HVAC systems, in particular the airside plant, where controlling pressure between interrelated systems in dynamic environments can easily come unstuck. This is where drives can help, as they allow easy fan speed control, both at low load and even above 50 Hz if needed. This gives the greatest flexibility and control of these air systems. Recent hospitals that we've supplied VFDs include Westmead and Campbelltown hospitals in New South Wales, Gold Coast and Sunshine Coast University Hospital in Queensland. But there are many more examples all around the country. ABB also offer automation solutions into the healthcare sector. This includes HVAC control systems utilising the ABB Cylon range, which is recently added to our lineup. And of course, lighting control systems with our ABB iBus KNX range. We recently completed a major automation system at Calvary Hospital in Adelaide, South Australia, with more than 1,200 KNX devices, the largest project of its kind in the Southern Hemisphere. Certainly, the technology roadmap towards energy efficient, reliable, safer, and more sustainable healthcare infrastructure is more apparent than ever, and it's never been easier for facilities to adopt these solutions.
Thanks, Paul. Sounds like you have quite a range of solutions there to support healthcare. For more information on ABB solutions for this sector, click on the links in the story below this footage.